Hi, this is Bob with RT Olson Plumbing. I got called out for a leak. We can totally see it. It's pretty bad here. I just wanted to show you guys what we're working with. So we got quite a bit of water buildup. Almost looks like there's multiple leaks there. Maybe 2 leaks. If you ever find yourself having a bad water leak, I just wanted to show you where to shut the water off at the house. So is entering the house right here. So here's the valve here. So we're gonna go ahead and shut this down, and that'll stop the leak. And we're gonna go ahead and remove the washer machine to get to the access, cut a hole in the drywall, and start cutting the pipe out and reworking it. So we'll be back. Now we just got to put everything back together. And this is what we took out. And you can see whoever installed this pipe used a type M copper, which is really, really thin copper. And they probably did not ream it correctly, and it creates velocity and it just wears out the pipe. You can see the correct copper was used here. You can see it's got plenty of meat left. Here also, and where my wrench is, this guy right here, no bueno. Alright, I just want to go over one more thing before I wrap this up. You can see from the water damage that this water heater is actually leaning now because of the water spraying up on the platform here. And the walls are saturated, so we also do restoration. So if you have any water damage, flooding, even fire damage, you can give us a call and we'll refer you out to some really quality people to help you out with that. And we work with insurance as well. So just want to keep that in mind. This job's not over. We got to take out the drywall, prep it, dry it out, and it'll go on. I might even have to remove that water heater and fix this platform here for them. Depends on what the insurance is going to cover. So we'll probably be back here. All right. If you guys liked watching this video, please subscribe, and I'll have plenty of other videos coming up. Do-it-yourself plumbing issues, and some of the work that we're doing. Hopefully, help you do yourself at home, or a friend in need of some plumbing work. All right. Thank you for watching.